Hello again everybody. Today we are going to do some breakfast, but this breakfast is not any old breakfast. It's breakfast on a budget. I'm teaching the children how to use them hand and make fashion. Okay, so today I cooked some dumplings last night, some banana dumpling and yam with some salt mackerel. So today what I'm going to do, I'm teaching them how to cut the dumpling and fry them up, and this is one of the nicest dumpling that you'll ever taste. So we're going to fry up the dumpling and fry up the yam. The bananas that we cooked are all done, but if I had bananas, anything that I boiled, I would fry it up just the same, just like this. Okay, now how do we know the dumpling is ready? Now you can see at the side it's starting to get golden, so you just need to turn them over before them burn. There we go. That one starts to burn and that one starts to burn. There we go. Okay. So keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn like mine, this one, but the rest of them are perfect. Over here we have the plate with some kitchen towel, some paper towel in there ready to put the fried food on to suck up some of the oil. With the fried up food, I'm doing some cabbage. What I do is cut the cabbage down the middle that way, and then cut it up as small as you want it. I cut it up first and then wash it after, just in case when the cabbage leaves were folding, their insects got lodged under there. So I cut up first and then I wash afterwards. Now I'm going to do some cabbage. I start by putting some fat in there. You can use your whatever oil you want. It doesn't matter what oil you choose. I try not to use too much oil. So that's the coconut oil. Just a bit of coconut. And I'm going to put a little bit of butter in it. Just a little tiny bit of butter in it. I like the flavor, and sometimes I stay away from food, not because I don't like it, but only because I know it's not good for me. So I'm just going to use a little bit of the butter. You could use just butter alone if you want to, or just the coconut oil or whatever you want to use. Then turn up the heat a bit here. It's a bit low. In the oil, I'm going to add my regular spring onion, thyme, onion, this is red onion, some garlic, some scotch bonnet peppers here, and some sweet pepper. I've mixed the colors for this. I've mixed it up. I've used some yellow and red sweet pepper. So there we have it in the pot, or seasoning. I'm going to mix it up and leave it there for a while before putting the cabbage in. Right, this has been sauteing for a while, so what I'm going to do now is just put the cabbage on top. The cabbage is washed and ready to go. I'm going to put it in. I'm now going to cover it up and let the cabbage shrink for a little bit. Then I'm going to put some herbs on, a little bit of salt and a bit of black pepper. That's all I'll put on there. We don't use a lot of the all-purpose and those things. We try to stick mainly to the natural ingredients. Yes, so I'm going to cover it up and then turn it down and let it shrink for a bit. To the cabbage, I added some sage, some mixed herbs, and a little bit of black pepper and salt. Then I've stirred everything up. I think it's ready now. I'm not going to cook it anymore. As you can see here, I didn't add any water. You don't need to add any water when you're doing cabbage. Look at the bottom of the pot. There's no water down there. Okay, so no need to add any water to it when you're steaming cabbage. So here you have it, everyone. This is your breakfast on a budget. Fried up food with some cabbage.